Hi everyone, we are going to take a look at Google Classroom in Edmentum. I am still signed into my Google account, so I will make sure that I sign out of it for your child's Google account to work. So then you would start on Google. You'd want to go to cdschools.org, and then you click on the students icon there. And from here, I would make sure that I bookmark this page. You could bookmark with the star and write, student portal, or you could let it be what it is, whatever you want it to be. And then you scroll down here, and over here in red are the links. So we're going to look at Google Classroom first. You click on Google Classroom, and then it'll take you to a single sign-on page, and that is where you'll put your child's login information. It's the same as last year. It starts with 31 and then the first 5 letters of the last name and so on, and then put the password in and hit login. This parent gave me permission to use their child's login. So here is one of the main pages you'll come to, and then it'll have each Google Classroom that your child is involved in, enrolled in, or they still need to join. So this student has already joined my class, so Miss Gray's second grade's class, but as you can see, special second grade has their page going on, so you would need to hit the join button to join. So Miss Gray's second grade, you click on that, and like I said, you might have to press join first. Then here is the home page for our class. So from here, we want to go up here to the classwork section, and first up is teacher information, and in that has my contact information, my email address, and also links. There's a link to Clever, Extra Math, which we'll get into later, CD Schools, and for Epic. Then each week, it will say week of and have the week. So this is the first week of school, and it will always be in order of the week that we're on up top, and then the other weeks will go underneath them after we finish them. And you see there's a schedule here, and then there's 4 assignments. These ones are assignments that have like the little clipboard looking thing. So let's click on this schedule and check out this week's schedule. It says read the overview of activities and assignments that students will complete this week. Click on the live, which are blue, they're colored blue, links to join the specific Zoom meeting. So we click on view material. There are 3 pages, so it kind of gives a quick little overview over here, and that's where you can click on the next one. This is Group A. So those are the students who are coming on Monday and Tuesday in person. Here's the Zoom links for the morning meeting, which they don't need because they will be in class. But our virtual friends, it's already set up there, and our Friday one. The morning meeting links are all the same time. Every morning, it's the same link. So if you would accidentally click on the Tuesday link, it would still work. And then in-person activities, ELA is language arts, reading, writing, math. Reading, writing, spelling, different things like that, and then math. And then the virtual days here, and then Fridays, everyone is virtual. And then here's the live links for ELA Zoom at 10:45 and the math Zoom at 1. Then over here in blue is the virtual schedule, which I have on another page as well. So then Group B schedule, an overview of their week, is here on the second page. Has links up here as well, Friday links. And you guys will start virtual on Monday, but we will see you at 9 a.m. for morning meeting. And then it goes over ELA, Google Classroom and Clever Introduction, which is this, and a read aloud. So you can click on that link and it'll take you right to the read aloud. And then for math, there's some stuff there as well. And same with this, there's a short vowel video. If you click on it and then you click again here, it'll open up a new page and take you right there. And these are the second grade check-in links. If you have any questions or any problems going on, one of us second grade teachers will be available during that 10:40 time for a question session. And the last page is the Friday virtual schedule. From 9 to 9:30 is morning meeting with that same blue link. And then 9:40 to 10:10 is our ELA class Zoom. Then 10:15 to 11:15 is when students work at their own pace, working on assignments, on Edmentum, word study activities, independent reading. Then a lunch and a break is built in. Then we pick up here again at 12:15 for our math class Zoom. And then following that are activities. And then there's time at the end of the day for creative arts lessons, like you saw the specials page back on the main Google Classroom page. Edmentum, if you didn't get your 30 minutes of Edmentum in for the week yet, and finish any other work. And then a little note down there just to take some brain breaks and recess breaks throughout your independent work times. So then we can go back here to our schedule. And then we have the assignments here. So the one read aloud, I showed you there was a link in the schedule, but there's also a link here. And what you want to do though is view the assignment. After you watch it, you want to click this mark as done button. This mark as done button lets me know that you finished your work. And if I go back and click on something else, there is a getting to know me Wordle. So if you view the assignment, you have to click on your name. It takes you to this slide, and there's some directions on this one. There's a little example of mine on this one, some things that I like, some things about me, and then your name. You would just click on that box and take that away, and since this is Bailey, she would write Bailey right there. And then you just close it out when you're done. It automatically saves, and then you have to hit that turn in button. If you don't hit that turn in button, it's like it never happened. All right, so there are the activities for the week. The activities are due at the end of the week, and actually, it has the due. Oh, I didn't even have to open it. Look at that. It has the due dates right there. August 28th, August 28th, August 28th. So everything is due by that Friday. All right. Next, we are going to go back to the student portal, the students on CD Schools, and take a look at Edmentum. And Edmentum takes you automatically to Clever. And Clever will have lots of different links and things that you could use. Right now, we're, dramatic, I put my own stuff in. Let's try that again. I'm using the same 31, the same password. And then the rainbow E here is where Edmentum is. And I know you guys did Edmentum last year a bit. When you sign into Edmentum, there's messages. You have a little mail. Then you have your learning path over here and teacher assignments and tests. Tests have not been assigned yet, but you will have tests here. You'll have a reading test, a math test, and a language arts test that students need to work on independently. It's super important that they work on it independently so that their learning path matches their abilities. So I know it's hard for parents to not help, but just tell them, encourage them to just do your best, try to answer the question if you can, and just skip it if you don't know it. And boys and girls, it is meant to, it gets really hard, and then it might get a little bit easier, and then you might know some, and then it gets really hard again, and it does that so that it can design your learning path to teach you the skills that you need to learn based on what you know. And then teacher assignments are here. There's no assignments now. Rewards is another one that we will see. So you have 30 minutes of reading and 30 minutes of math a week to do, and you will have challenges like this one, 30 minutes math learning path, and this was from last year that she earned 30 minutes on a learning path for math. So we'll have challenges like that set up as well. And we're not working on Edmentum quite yet because the tests aren't assigned, but we will start working on that week 2. All right, I can log out of here. And like I said, Clever, there will be more applications, more apps here. Just don't want to overwhelm everyone quite yet. We will be accessing Epic and Extra Math and a few different other ones. And that's why we are asking and encouraging to, bring your own device so that we can help bridge the gap and help students become more independent in their online learning. Right, like I said, the schedule is here. It's great. Make sure you look for your Group A or Group B and check out your work for the week. And like I said, here's your links. So if I was Monday morning, I'm going to get my computer out. I'm going to get set up and I'm going to attend this meeting, which isn't happening yet, but I'm just showing you that it takes you right there to your meeting. All right, guys, I will see you guys soon, and I hope you have a great first day. If I don't get to see you at 9 a.m., I will see you very soon. Bye.